Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at how to use the Avada Form Step element. By the end of this video you'll understand how to add a form step into a multi-step form. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's dive in. The form step element is a special element that is used to separate steps in a multi-step form. It's a bit special in that it's not a standard form element, and as you can see, if you go to add a form element, it's not on the list. Here I have a multi-step form opened on the Avada Real Estate pre-built. Note how you can see the various steps of the form after each section of content. These control how much of the form is seen at once on the front end. They are also only seen in the builder. So here, if I go to the front end, we can see the various steps of the form as we click through. This is precisely what the form step element is controlling. But note, we see no sign of a form step element on the front end. If we head back to the form, let's look at how it's added. So when you have completed one section of a multi-step form, you simply go to add another container. And here you will see a special tab. On that is the form step element. Once it's added, you can name it and add an icon if you wish. This is only used if you add a timeline to your multi-step form. So as you go through your form, you would add one of these under every section of content you want as a step in the form. Beautiful. Okay, that's the form step element. For a full rundown on multi-step forms, see the How to Create Multi-Step Avada Forms documentation and video linked below. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.